Welcome to St Vincent and the Grenadines. We're on an excursion from Kingstown Cruise Port to see the actual movie set from Pirates of the Caribbean and visit the black sand beach which became famous when Queen Elizabeth stopped off for a swim. We've stopped for a photo stop to look over Kingstown, but it started to rain. It's lovely, but I'm getting quite wet. There's our cruise ship. The tour is in English and French. It's like the Eurovision Song Contest. This is the Pirates of the Caribbean movie set. Not this part, this is just the car park. The luxury catamarans kind of take away from the vibe, don't they? I'm not sure this was part of the film set.
Are you all excited for the Pirates of the Caribbean movie set?
Pirates of the Caribbean.
What one's your favourite?
This is the first one, obviously. I can't remember any of this being in the movie. They've covered it in this. So the movie set covered the buildings that are here. It's not very comfortable.
There.
Is this where they did the, you remember this as the day you almost caught Captain Jack Sparrow saying? I'm pretty sure it is.
Hold up there, you! It's a shilling to tie up your boat at the dock.
Wasn't this where the Black Pearl came around the corner?
Yeah.
It's the wrong song, Dennis. That's Game of Thrones you're doing. The bay itself is lovely. You can see why they picked it. Dennis is like, don't fall, because he just thinks I'm going to fall anywhere I go. I'm going to have to watch all of the Pirates of the Caribbean movies when I go home now.
Anyone for a telephone?
Unlike the other buildings that were just covered up, this one was built completely from scratch, and it was used for Pirates of the Caribbean 1, 2 and 3. There's a pirate ship. I don't think this was part of the set. They're now using it as the toilets. They have some of the carriages that they use for filming. Johnny Depp. There's me now and Captain Jack Sparrow. Do you want a picture with Captain Jack Sparrow?
Do you?
I just had a picture with Captain Jack Sparrow. It's like they just went around and picked up anything that was left. Oh look, this is the bit where he, you know, where he the ship sinks.
Oh yeah,
I wonder if that's the actual one, the actual mast. They built this building specifically for the movie. Look, the coffins are just made of fiberglass as well. Did you see, like, all of the front of this is fiberglass? Are you not really excited?
Yeah, why?
You're just telling me to calm down. I'm very excited. I'm going to go home and watch all of the Pirates of the Caribbean movies now again. It's really lovely. The car park is absolutely chaotic. It's just madness all around. I don't know where our bus is. Oh, that's the French translator. I know him. You know, I absolutely love that. I couldn't come all the way to St Vincent and not see the Pirates of the Caribbean movie set. We're on our way to the beach now. It's a bit overcast, so I'm not sure we'll be getting our tanning on. There's no actual road down to the beach. It's just a track.
So here we are at the end of the road.
It's not a road, it's a track. So this is the beach. It's a black sand beach. It's also not very sunny right now. I'm just going to walk up along the shore here. It's not very warm right now. In fact, I would say it's nippy. It also turns out that even though I told Dennis to bring my towel, he didn't bring my towel, so I don't have a towel.
I'm not your mother.
Yeah, but I told you to bring my towel and he didn't bring my towel. Dennis was packing the bag, I wasn't. I must leave him there paddling his feet and walk down this way.
Oh, they're building holes.
They're building holes.
But they're building their holes down there.
Look, there he is there. I got a pineapple juice. Dennis got a rum punch. You're getting quite fond of the rum punch on this holiday, aren't you? We need to start making that at home.
I know, yeah.
So eventually the sun did come out. We met the loveliest Canadian couple, Alan and Sue, and we just sat talking to them for a while. It was a really nice afternoon. Did you have fun at the beach?
I did. It was very nice.
It was nice. It was very secluded and peaceful. And there wasn't a lot of people there, which was really nice. Alan and Sue were on the other bus, and they said everyone on that bus speaks English. So I'm not sure why we're on the bilingual bus. She said the reason that it's so secluded is because the Queen of England used to park her yacht there and go for a swim. This man has dead iguanas. I thought you said koala. It was iguanas, not koalas. I wonder what iguana would taste like. Not that I want to try it, but I wonder. Probably like chicken. Everything tastes like chicken. Dennis straight into the souvenir shop. I really enjoyed our day in St Vincent and the Grenadines. I wasn't expecting to enjoy it that much because we had such a short excursion, but like seeing that Pirates of the Caribbean movie set was brilliant because we're such big Pirates of the Caribbean fans, and the beach was lovely. We had a lovely chat with Sue and Alan from Canada. So overall, really enjoyed St Vincent and would happily come back here again.